Hello everyone! It's no secret that tools and technologies help people work faster, more efficiently, more accurately, and more conveniently. Different fields of activity use different tools and technologies. It is important to be able to choose and use tools correctly, as well as learn how to correctly combine them with human skills and qualities. This transparent adhesive is plastic, instantly glued together and securely fixed products from a variety of materials. This mousetrap is designed for humane control of mice. It does not harm rodents. It can be used indoors of any type as well as outdoors. It is possible to restore the damaged section of the pipeline system with the help of sanitation of sewer pipes. The popularity of this method is due to the speed of work and efficiency. This is a deep vibrator for concrete. Vibration compaction of concrete is the most efficient method for achieving perfect concrete mix. A worker effectively uses a homemade wooden drill. A lathe from a wooden bar, according to a specially set program under human control, cuts out a figure in the shape of a chicken egg. This homemade hand tool forms a hole in the ground in which potatoes sit.
This device allows for the rapid cleaning of contaminated asphalt using a powerful jet of water that is sprayed onto the surface. This machine stretches the car spring after its initial manufacturing stage. Automobile suspension springs are made from high-strength steel.
This is a simple but very effective tool with which you can easily make coal slag in briquettes for growing plants. A worker without the use of special professional equipment easily and quickly changes old tires on a tractor for new ones. Using an excavator can significantly increase the efficiency in collecting tea. If you have a special skill and tool, it is even possible to divide even such a huge and heavy stone into two alone. If you feel like cotton candy, you can make it at home using a tool most people have.
The mini tractor is equipped with special attachment equipment that allows wrapping and tying the Christmas tree with a rope for further transportation. To ensure that the soil for planting plants absorbs water better, this invention was created.
Thanks to a modern technology called Aquaprint, the worker gives the sink a completely different look. You can clean rust from a metal part either by physically acting on it, using sandpaper, or using a special chemical agent. When transplanting this ornamental bush, the main thing is not to damage its root system. This equipment is used for the production of animal feed in the form of compressed pellets. The worker uses a two-component epoxy adhesive to restore the metal column. After the glue solidifies, the defects can be ground with a grinder. With this simple bag holder, filling them is much easier. After pouring the area with cement, the worker uses a structural rubber roller to decorate the surface. You can easily and quickly make such a concrete path yourself. To do this, you need a special stencil and cement with water. To make pots at home, we need a cement solution, which must be evenly applied to the mold using a special tool. After that, you must wait until the solution hardens and apply a dye to give a beautiful look. To quickly crack hazelnuts, you can use a wrench and a hammer. The train driver is so experienced that he unloads the cars without resorting to stopping the train. For the production of wax crayons, it is necessary to prepare raw materials and pour them into special cylindrical molds. After hardening, the crayons will be ready. For painting large areas, the worker does not use a brush. You can pour the paint on the floor and then smear it evenly. You see the process of trenchless cable laying, which is carried out by horizontal drilling in the ground using a steel shaft, at the end of which there is a drill head. A small portable fan that you can connect to your smartphone when you're hot. With these plastic molds, workers can build a concrete fence near the house in a short period of time. If you have a special skill and tool, it is even possible to divide even such a huge and heavy stone into two alone. Workers use an electric grinder to recycle old car tires. A worker uses a vibrating screed with a motor to place concrete. She made her job easier by walking on stilts with ease without using a ladder. Production process of car rubber mats with special equipment. Workers came up with a simple but effective way to make it easier to unload a truck. The process of manufacturing bicycle wheels using a special machine.
Using a fiber laser cleaning system, the metal is being cleaned from rust and other contaminants.
This is a convenient and practical watering tool that allows you to evenly and accurately distribute the flow of water over the entire required area. The earth quickly absorbs the fine droplets that form during spraying, thus avoiding the formation of puddles. This is a waterproof self-adhesive vinyl floor tile that is great for kitchen or bathroom. This homemade robot is programmed to play tic-tac-toe, but the programmer did not take into account some points. Because of this, it turns out that the robot is playing dishonestly. The manufacturing process of a fiberglass helmet. A worker applies the logo to the cups using a stencil and green paint. Any metal bowl can become a spare iron if you fill it with boiling water and let it heat up. Do not throw out old car tires. From them, you can make an aquarium that can become a decoration for your home. On top, you just need to cut the square opening and glue 2 round glasses on the side.
professional equipment for felling and harvesting trees. If the tractor gets stuck in the mud, just tie a wooden log to the wheel and keep moving. Easily cut down a thick tree without human intervention. With this state-of-the-art equipment, you can quickly and easily lay cable underground without digging a trench.
The girl manually applies the famous stripes on a basketball and does it no worse than the machine.
Collecting a nut is a rather laborious process that requires a lot of time and effort. With this simple harvester, picking nuts is a pleasure. The truck is equipped with a special folding body with caterpillars, thanks to which the cotton collected in bales is automatically loaded for further transportation. To change tyres on a tractor, the twin wheels must first be removed. Grader, using a side bucket, cleans the side of the road from weeds.
This automatic guillotine assists in household chores, as it is designed to chop plant-based food for animals.
This tool is made of plastic tubes for automatic and quick size sorting of harvested apples into boxes. Small crawler loader with hydraulic attachments, forks, plows the ground. High-pressure washer on wheels, with which you can quickly and efficiently clean paving slabs on the street. The worker, using an electric trimmer, cuts the corn stalks easily and effortlessly. This is a homemade baler that collects hay and rolls it into bales. Works from a shaft of selection of power at a tractor. You can watch the process of cleaning the rice field flooded with water with the help of 3 powerful bulldozers. plant stapler. Using this device, you can speed up the tying process by more than 10 times compared to performing the same operation manually. The tractor is equipped with a special double clamshell bucket, which you can easily grab and transport bulk goods such as earth, shavings, crushed stone, etc. Loading equipment is installed on the rear of the truck body, with which you can quickly and easily load hay bales.
This special machine grinds chicken meat into even pieces for further cooking.
This is an industrial machine for peeling and washing root crops.
After the asphalt has been laid, a roller compacts it. Then, a special blade trims the edge smoothly to make it look neater. This machine fully automatically fills and packages water into polyethylene bags without human intervention. An excavator makes a hole in the ice of a river. This will help the fish not to suffocate under the ice. A special machine is used to pack lubricating material into containers for further distribution. Glass ampoules are easily sealed after being filled with medication. This machine shapes dough into round balls with circular motions in just a few seconds, ready for baking. The roller presses metal numbers onto the surface of the newly laid asphalt to mark the area. After the production of cotton gloves, the machine sends them for packaging. Thanks to a special machine, people can avoid the unpleasant process of plucking feathers from a chicken for further preparation. This meat grinder is so powerful that it can easily process meat, even with thick bones. Special rubber coating is applied to gardening gloves to increase their durability. The asphalt has become very hot from the sun, causing even car tires to melt. The bodies of old cars have been placed under a press for further recycling and processing. The dual-shaft shredder is designed for the quick disposal of old or unwanted items. The industrial and powerful juicer easily processes a large quantity of apples into juice. All you need to do is place the metal blank, and this machine shapes it into the desired form. Workers have devised a remarkable yet effective method to sift sand using a mesh installed at the front of a bicycle. Instead of a bucket, the bulldozer is equipped with a mechanism that allows filling sand directly into bags. This tool has found another application that is closely related to its main activity. A person has found a way to quickly peel apples using a special knife and an electric machine. This conveyor belt is equipped with special rollers that enable the items moving on it to follow the desired direction. This machine enables industrial-scale peeling of vegetables and fruits in just a few seconds. This lathe machine, following a predetermined program, automatically carves a human figurine out of a wooden block. A worker uses a hydraulic press to install a tire onto a wheel rim. The worker demonstrates the quality of applying aquaprint to a rubber glove by immersing it in a special container. As the trailer passes by, it leaves behind a wire barrier structure. Workers use a specialized machine to apply white paint markings on the asphalt at the airport. Whereas it would take much longer otherwise.